Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel, Septeria's Room. I have an unboxing share to show you in this video, and it's this large box. It pretty much takes up the whole screen here on my camera. I received this surprise box a few days ago in the at my door, and when the postman rang the bell, he gave me this box, and I thought, oh, that's a surprise. I don't remember ordering anything online in the last week or so. And then I had a look at the sender, and it was a name I recognized, and I was so happy and so excited. It's from Linda Carl. Linda, thank you so much. This box, obviously, you can see it's arrived safely at my door. Linda is a subscriber here on my YouTube, and she's been following me for quite some time. She is also a regular customer of mine in my Etsy store, and she is usually always purchasing something from my shop. And I thank you so much, Linda, for supporting my shop, my channel, enjoying my videos. When I seen your name on the box, I was like a silly little girl. I was holding the box and hugging it, and I was just so excited to receive something from one of my followers. And I sent Linda an email and I told her I received it, and I asked her if it was okay for me to unbox it here on my YouTube and share with everyone what she had sent me. And she said she was more than happy for me to do that. So I really can't wait, and I want to have a look and see what she has sent me. And even just looking at the post, it's how expensive it is, isn't it, just to send a gift internationally. US $41 is quite expensive, and I really appreciate, Linda, that you were still wanting to send me something, even though the postage is quite expensive, even here in Australia. I'm still waiting to be able to open my Etsy store to my US customers, so I'm hoping I'll be able to open my Etsy store in the next a couple of months or so. Once I really know what's going on, I will be opening my shop again, so we'll just keep an update on that. I've covered up my address here, so it's a beautiful red striped box, and I did open the side here just to makes it easier in the camera. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, Linda, you have gone far and beyond. I mean, this box is a big box. I'm going to just see how I'm going to take all this out. So, oh goodness me, you've gone through so much trouble, and I just appreciate every one of you just being a part of my channel and joining me here, and for those that buy in my Etsy store as well. I have missed all of you. So let me just grab all this out. So there's still a few more things in here. All these nice Christmas theme wrapping. All right, so I'm just going to put the box down. I might just pop that over here. This little heart. Oh, that must have come from the envelope. It's come off there. I don't know where to start. All right, so so these are the wonderful gifts. Let's have a look. This is a nice, gorgeous, large envelope. It's we say autumn, our season here, we say autumn. I know you guys may say fall for the season. The pumpkin, I'm just gonna, she's got the nice large Velcro. I've only got the smaller size. I need to get some of the larger ones. Oh my gosh, look at this. Let's put this to the side. I think this has come off, but I can reuse this in one of my projects. Oh goodness, look at this. This looks so beautiful. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. I love this dangle. And the great thing is you get inspiration from, you know, when your crafty friend gives you gifts or doing a swap, you get inspiration from their work, and you get to look and think, this is cute. I'm going to make something similar to this one too. This looks like a polymer clay sunflower in a pot. Oh, so cute. Oh, my granddaughter loves Winnie the Pooh. I think the other heart must have fallen out, but there's something else in here. Let me just see. Oh no, that's it. So this is a nice envelope, which I can reuse again. Oh, this is so cute. I think the heart, that must have gone. I must have lost a little heart. That might have been the little heart, but that's okay. Let's have a look. This is a gorgeous fall theme, like a flipper. I don't know if this is one. Let's have a look. So it's like a tag shape. Let's see. This is really lovely. I love it. I love seeing what others create. It's really nice to be able to see it in real, like in my hands, and compared to when you look at it at a photo. I might just bring that over that way a little bit. It's cute hearts. So it flips out. Oh, this is cute. This is a Pooh Bear theme. I've got to show my granddaughter because I have a Pooh Bear winding pop-up, you know, one of those things that you wind and then it pops up and then Pooh Bear pops out of the box, like a Jack in the Box kind of thing, but it's the Pooh Bear that pops out. So she loves that, and I'm going to show her this flip folder for her and see if she can see all the Pooh Bears. So this has got a nice tag. Oh, this is so cute. So that's so that flips up like that, or flips down like that with a pocket. And then just trying to see, I think that comes out. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it's an envelope. Don't want to damage it. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, this is a letter, which I'm not going to read this on camera. I'll save that. I want to read that on camera, which I can't wait to read it. And that must be the card. That's the card with the letter. So we've got that. I think I'll go this way. This poor flower wants to come off. I'll fix that flower later. It does happen. And then that flips out the same way with another pocket. This is fantastic. I love this. Oh, I like this idea as well. See, that's another great way of making a note booklet and making it like with a little tab. I like that idea. And there's some little notes that I can use to write in here, which I will do that. And some more tags. There's a pocket. This is nice. I like this. So it opens up that way, and there's a side part of that. And then that's the other side, and then they just join up with some string. Very clever. And then, is that okay? I might just rip it. Is that okay? Stickers. Oh, thank you so much, Linda. I'm actually right now going to be making some Christmas projects. I'm making 3 advent calendars for my 3 grandchildren, and this would definitely be something I could use now. I don't have a lot of Christmas papers or ephemera or stickers or die cuts, so this would definitely come in handy when I make the advent calendars, which I can't wait to show you. Oh, thank you so much. This is lovely. I feel like I'm getting an early Christmas present for myself. Oh, this is cute too. I think Linda must know that I'm in the middle of wanting to do some Christmas projects, because this will definitely come in handy. So I'm looking forward to doing my Christmas projects and share it with you very soon. Oh, yes. I'm definitely going to use it. Oh, look how cute. These are little gingerbread man, gingerbread Bead dangles. You must have really read my mind. Oh, I'm going to add these onto there as well. Oh, my grandkids are going to love it, especially my eldest. She's turning 2 next week. And I'm going to add one of those onto her little advent calendar, I think. Oh, yes. I think, thank you so much, Linda. It's just made it so much easier now for me to make my projects. Oh, these are so nice. These are like die cuts. See, I've not seen any of this sort of stuff here in my craft store. Let me just grab one of these. It's like a mirror. Let me put on here. Merry Christmas. And they're nice and hard. They're like not thin either. They're thickish, not really thick and not thin. So, did you die cut these yourself? Geez, I hope it'd be quite a lot for you to do that. But these are great. I love them. Thank you, thank you. And I've got so many to play with. Put these back. There's quite a lot of them. Just put these. Just put them there. Put this one next. Oh wow! Oh, these would be great to add into little shakers. I know exactly what I'm going to do with these. Oh, I won't open it, but I don't know if you can see. They look like little tiny snowmen, little candy, or those candy canes, snowflakes, Santa hat, gingerbread men. Oh, this is so cute. Christmas tree. I wish we had these sort of things here. I live a little way out of town. I live sort of in a like semi-rural, not really semi-rural, but I'm about 45 minutes away from our main city or town, suburb. And so I usually only go once every fortnight or once a month, to go out. And I don't see any of these good stuff. These are just nice. Like, I love these. This is gorgeous too. And the last one. Linda, thank you. I was just saying earlier on in the video, I don't have a lot of Christmas papers to work with. And this will definitely work now. Now I can, oh, this is nice. I'm going to have a look. I don't have a lot of, what do you call it, we only have one craft store here, our main craft store, and that's the one I was saying, that's about 40 minutes away from me. And now my daughter doesn't live near the craft store where I used to go to where she lived, because that was only about 3 minutes from her house. And so, and even the craft store that's the closest to ours doesn't have a lot of selection to choose from. Sorry, just moved the camera. But this is the 6x6 papers. And our papers here are so expensive. Oh, this is going to work perfect for what I need. There's a lot of different patterns. I love it. $4.99 here in Australia for a paper pad like this. I think you're looking at around $10 to $12 here. So I usually wait when they're on special, if we can find them. But this would definitely be a paper pad I'm going to use for my next Christmas projects. Oh, but Linda, thank you so much. I appreciate everything that you've gifted me. This has just been the highlight of my week. And to be able to receive these wonderful gifts, this is so cute. I don't know if this was part of something or it came off, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to use it somewhere else. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. And for all the effort you put into making this wonderful flip folder and these wonderful Christmas gifts. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing Happy Mail share that was gifted to me by Linda. I'll see you all soon in my next video.